There's Yankee. Yankee Doodle. Hi, look at that tail going round and round. Cooper! Hi, Cooper! And there's Coco and Mocha. Hi, you two. I know you guys are so cute. Yes, you're so cute. And there's our little bandit. A little tater pup. Hey, easy guys, easy.
Oh, hi.
Hi guys. Lola. Oh my gosh, Cooper. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And Lola. Hi, Lola girl.
Okay.
Hi, Lola girl. And there's Jinx. And there's Gunner. I mean,
Gator.
Gator. Gosh, I said Gunner.
Gator and Tater.
The cute little puppies playing. Gator and Tater. Yeah, that's
I think
a good pair right there.
yes.
There's Rigby. Jack. Jack. Hi, Jack. I see you. And there's Dixie Black. Dixie. Hi, girl. And there's Jinx. Jinxie boy. And Belle. Hi, Belle. There they go, over there. There's Dozer and Chewy playing with Athene or Lola. You two are having fun. You're a good match right there. Max. Hi, Max. Hi, buddy. You're a sweetie. Yes, you are. You're a sweetie. There's Walter. Hi, Walter. There's Mojo. Mojo! Hi, Mojo! Champezi, you're just tucked in nice and tight right there. Oh! Whoopsie, they didn't see you. You were in camouflage. Are you okay, Champezi?
He's like, oh, they didn't see you.
And there's Kaya. There's Jack. I see Jack. Jack Newberry. Hey, Jack. Where you going? Hi, Jack. Hi, Jackie. Hi, Jack. And Athena.
Chewy's out.
Oh, okay. Choo-choo. Chewy. Hi, Chew. Hi, Chewy. Watch out, all the puppies are coming. All the puppies are coming. Hi, guys. There's our Bentley. Bent. And Tabby. You're just right in front of the fan, my girl. Huh? Right in front of the fan. Charlie. Hi, buddy. And there's our little buddy. You just sleeping? Huh? There's Lucky. Hi, Lucky. There's Fred. Hi, Fred. Freddy. I see that waggy tail. Come on, Tab. You want to come out here? Come on, Tab. Champezi, did you get stepped on? You were in the camouflage chair. They didn't even see you. There's a Rexy. There's a Rexy all stretched out because you want your tummy rubbed. I know the routine. I know the routine. Yep, I do. Walter baby. And Fred.
Oh. Yes.
There's Chewy. Chewy. And Jack and Rigby. Hi, Riggs.
Oh my goodness.
Hi, Riggs. And there's Bandit.
Lola.
Hi, Bandit.
Hi, Candy.
Hello, sweeties. It's all right. It's all right. Hi, sweetie. Lola girl. Buddy. Buddy. I can see you through this fence. Where are you?
Buddy, come here.
And there's Bentley. Our Bentley baby that we love. I see your Hattie behind you over there. Huh. I see your Hattie. Oh my goodness. Hi, Jack. Hi, Jackie. Hi, Athena. And Mocha. Hi, guys. Cooper and Lola. Gage, are you going to catch that fly? I saw you. You're going to get that fly? Huh, Gagey? All the way down the row. Yankee Doodle. Gator, what? He just knocked it over again. You guys are just knocking over all the water.
Keeping me busy with the marbles, huh?
All right, I hope I got everybody. Huh, Belle? I hope I got everybody. We gotta go see Little Buddy over here. Little Buddy, did you just find a perfect place for you over here? Huh? You found a perfect place over here? Nobody's gonna even bug you when you can just take a nap and not be bugged? Huh? Good little buddy. Come on, Max. There's my Webb and Odom and Tori up there. All right, guys. We'll end with the funny pups right there on the water bowls and Dozer. Knocking over all the water every second.
Oh my gracious.
Funny guys.